Welcome to Seabird YouTube channel. This video also regarding about text function merge column in Power BI. I have gotten the one of example about customer first name and last name in sales side. Once you have uploaded an Excel workbook to Power BI, you can select a sheet from the workbook that you want to use as the basis for your report. To do this, follow these steps. In the Home tab of the Power BI desktop ribbon, click on the Get Data drop-down button. Select Excel from the list of available data sources. Navigate to the Excel workbook you uploaded and selected. Choose the sheet you want to use as the basis for your report. Click on the Transform Data button to open the Power Query Editor. The Power Query Editor allows you to transform and clean up your data before using it in your report. From here, you can perform various data transformation operations, such as removing unwanted columns, filtering rows, grouping data, and merging columns. To merge the first name and last name columns in the customer table and create a new column called Customer Full Name, follow these steps. Select both the first name and last name columns by holding down the Control key and clicking each column. In the Transform tab of the Power Query Editor ribbon, click on the Merge Columns drop-down button and select Merge Columns from the list. In the Merge Columns dialog box, select a delimiter to separate the two values in the merged column. Enter a name for the new column in the new column name field, for example, Customer Full Name. After that, click on OK. Once you have completed these steps, you should see a new column called Customer Full Name in your customer table that combines the values from the first name and last name columns, separated by the delimiter you selected. Thank you. See you in the next Power BI video.